Hiccups. Man, those hiccups. Nope.
You're not gonna, if you
Hiccups.
want to film it, go.
Hiccups.
Oh no, you got hiccups. What in the world?
It actually tastes nice.
I've never heard you have hiccups before. Ever.
I was gonna say, hey, that it don't burn so bad, but I forgot. It's Reaper. Oh.
Wow. That sucks. All that spice is getting regurgitated back into your mouth.
It's amazing how different they taste from one another, although they're like from the same. I got choked. Would you like some water? No.
Hiccups. That's hot. Sinister got me right here. There's some hiccups. Got me right here. The worst. Oh. Ooh. The tongue's burning. Wow. It's like a hiccup upon a hiccup. And I'm hiccuping. What's up? Coughing. 3. There's some hiccups. Burning a little bit here. Let's just see where this takes us, shall we? Blurted. Let's get that cough though. To be doing hiccups, challenges to be doing here. Dude, good old hiccups. Why I do that? I'll wash myself in the salivate. I'm salivating. Warm. Got a little teardrop. It's my little sad teardrop for the behavior of people. Hope you all having a hiccups. Hiccups. Oh yeah. I'm hiccuping. That's some fast hiccups. Warm. I'm crying. Got a little hiccup there. A little bit warm. My hiccups. Oh. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Oh man. That's gonna make me cough. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Or Durfin, rough.
Yeah.